enthusiastically. Welcome, travelers! Today, we're embarking on a journey through the best scenic train rides around the world. So sit back, relax, and let's explore some of the most breathtaking rail routes you can experience. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the wild landscapes of the Australian outback, trains offer a unique perspective of our planet's natural beauty. Let's dive right in. First on our list is the Glacier Express in Switzerland, often dubbed the slowest express train in the world. But don't let that fool you. This journey from Zermatt to St. Moritz is packed with stunning vistas of the Swiss Alps, deep gorges, and picturesque valleys. The train crosses 291 bridges and passes through 91 tunnels, offering a breathtaking panorama of alpine scenery. Highlights include the Oberalp Pass at 2,033 meters and the dramatic Rhine Gorge. With its panoramic windows, passengers get unobstructed views of the majestic landscapes. Whether you're traveling in summer or winter, the Glacier Express promises an unforgettable experience. Next, we head over to Canada, where the Rocky Mountaineer offers several routes through the awe-inspiring Canadian Rockies. This luxurious train journey provides spectacular views of towering mountains, dense forests, and crystal-clear lakes. One of the most popular routes is from Vancouver to Banff. Along the way, you'll witness the remarkable Hell's Gate in Fraser Canyon and the iconic spiral tunnels. The Rocky Mountaineer is not just about the scenery, it's also about the experience. Enjoy gourmet meals inspired by the regions you pass through, all while soaking in the incredible views from the comfort of your seat. Now let's journey to New Zealand and hop aboard the TranzAlpine, renowned for its stunning journey between Christchurch and Greymouth. This train ride is a visual feast, taking you through the heart of the Southern Alps. You'll traverse the fertile farmlands of the Canterbury Plains, wind along the ice-fed Waimakariri River, and marvel at the alpine scenery of Arthur's Pass National Park. The TranzAlpine offers spacious carriages with large windows, ensuring you don't miss a single moment of the scenic beauty. This 5-hour journey is a must for any nature lover visiting New Zealand. Heading to Africa, the Blue Train in South Africa provides a luxurious journey from Pretoria to Cape Town. This iconic train ride is synonymous with luxury and elegance. As you travel across diverse landscapes, from the mountainous regions of the Karoo to the vineyards of the Cape Winelands, you'll be treated to world-class service and gourmet cuisine. The Blue Train is more than just a mode of transport. It's an experience of opulence and sophistication. Enjoy the plush suites, butler service, and fine dining, all while gazing at South Africa's breathtaking scenery. Next up is the GAN, one of Australia's most famous train journeys. Running between Darwin and Adelaide, the GAN offers an incredible way to experience the vast and varied landscapes of the Australian outback. The journey takes you through the rugged terrain of the Red Centre, past ancient rock formations, and into the tropical top end. Highlights include the breathtaking Nitmiluk Gorge and the historic town of Alice Springs. With its luxurious cabins, fine dining, and off-train excursions, the GAN promises an unforgettable adventure through the heart of Australia. For our next destination, we travel to South America and board the Hiram Bingham train in Peru. This luxurious train takes you from Cusco to the ancient citadel of Machu Picchu, offering a journey as memorable as the destination. As you travel through the sacred valley, you'll be treated to stunning views of the Andean landscapes, from terraced fields to towering mountains and rushing rivers. The Hiram Bingham combines old-world charm with modern luxury. Enjoy gourmet meals, live traditional music, and impeccable service as you wind your way to one of the world's most iconic archaeological sites. Our journey wouldn't be complete without mentioning the Venice Simplon Orient Express, the epitome of luxury rail travel. This iconic train takes you across Europe from London to Venice, passing through some of the continent's most beautiful cities and landscapes. Travel back in time with the train's 1920 S-era carriages, complete with elegant interiors and top-notch service. As you journey through the Alps, the French countryside, and Italian vineyards, every moment feels like a scene from a classic movie. The Venice Simplon Orient Express is not just about the destinations, it's about the journey itself. Indulge in gourmet cuisine, relax in the sumptuous lounges, and experience the golden age of travel. And there you have it, some of the best scenic train rides around the world. Whether you're seeking adventure, luxury, or simply a unique way to see the world, these train journeys offer something special. Which one is your favorite? Have you been on any of these incredible trains? Or are they on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.